Who are Amber Green? Well, we're a local, indigenous, wholly owned, born and reared company. We have been set a challenge to create 40% of the energy that we use, be it heat or electricity, from renewable resources. I hope to demonstrate to you how solar PV, applied correctly to your farming or business enterprise, can boost your income. I would think of the ROC income as something akin to the single farm payment. It's paid to you annually on your meter reading. So you report what you produce, you get paid the equivalent amount of income. There are very obvious benefits to solar PV. Unlike other renewable energy technologies, they are very easy to plan and install. Within a matter of days, you can immediately reduce the amount of energy you're consuming on your farm. So they can look at their level of investment, they can see how it's doing, and if they decide in 6 months, 12 months to extend the system to maximise the ROC income, it's very easy to add those modules on. We get the same amount of sunlight profile as the south the south and mid of England. You can see that we sit somewhere between 1,100 and 1,000 UV hours a year of sun. If you're in the business of supplying your product into the food chain, the amount of CO2 that you produce, or the amount of CO2 you're saving, starts to become very important, especially if you're supplying into people like Moy Park. They have tremendous pressures on them to reduce their carbon. 20 kilowatts will produce about 16,000 kilowatt hours a year. To install, depending on the system you choose, circa £30,000. I'm reliably informed it's the price of a good tractor. Payback, 5.5 years. Your ROI, your return on investment, is circa 20%. Significantly better than money put in the bank, money invested in cash ISAs, or just about any other form of investment in the market at the moment. The total average annual income and savings is about 5,800 a year, circa 6,000 a year. And over the 20 years, you're not kicking the backside off 120,000. You need approximately 136 square meters of good, sound roof. If you have a three-phase at your meter, you can install a system without consultation with NIE. If you're only single phase, it's still not a problem. You fill out a G59 form, you pay them 600 quid, and unfortunately they take 90 days to tell you whether they can connect you or not. So any costs that we are quoting are net of planning, net of grid, and net of upgrade works, because we can't factor that in. 50 kilowatts, quarter the maximum you can go to in any enterprise to obtain 4 ROCs. Circa £80,000 to install. Payback 5 years. Your return on investment 21%. And again, importantly, 41 tonnes of CO2 saved. Based on the same metrics as before, your total average yearly income is just shy of £15,000, and your 20-year income is around just shy of £300,000. Okay, same as before, south, southeast, south, southwest facing roof or ground, 340 square meters of roof space. You need a three-phase to your meter. If you have it to your meter may need 2, 3, 4, 5,000 pounds worth of upgrade work. So that's a key point when you're planning your system. Go look at your meter, talk to your Spark, let them know what you've got. The choices are relatively simple. You can buy the system outright. You'll own it. You'll own all the benefits to it. You'll own the savings. You'll own the ROC income, and it's yours for 25 years. And there are hire purchase options available. You can explore those with your own hire purchase options. We have partners with Close. We have partners with companies in England who will HP it to you. Rent your roof or rent your grounds. You will hear a lot more of this over the coming year. We don't recommend it. You will miss out on all the upside benefits. You get the free energy, but you don't get anything else, and you have a lease over your property for 20 or 25 years.